Hi, and welcome to the Ion Capital Loan Broker University, where we teach you how to become a business loan broker and earn a six-figure income working from home. I'm Ryan Williams, founder and CEO of Ion Capital Solutions and the Ion Capital Loan Broker University. And here in this video presentation, I'm going to show you how we can turn anybody interested in learning and how to be a successful business loan broker. So, what is a business loan broker? Well, the high level of it is that real estate investors and business owners require funding to maintain and grow their business. These clients need a consultant to help them access the nationwide marketplace and expedite the application process. So we as loan brokers represent money lenders that fund real estate investors and business owners. The service we provide is consulting, which expedites the funding application process. So we get paid when the client gets funded. And that's essentially how it works. So let's take a closer look at our clients really quickly. Real estate investors really fall into two categories. You have wholesalers, right, who engage in property contracts with sellers to obtain the rights to buy a property, but then the wholesaler sells those rights to an investor for more than they agreed to pay the seller to earn a profit. Whereas the investor borrows money from money lenders to purchase a property. Both the seller and wholesaler earn from this transaction. However, this all depends on the investor getting funded, and that's where we as loan brokers come in. Whereas business owners regularly need to borrow cash to maintain cash flow and fuel growth. The funding application process can be a burden for business owners because of the time and work it takes. And that's where we as loan brokers come in. Money lenders take on risk by lending money to businesses in need of cash. They charge interest on top of the principal to be paid back by the borrower over a fixed term in order to earn a profit. And so if you wanted to become a business loan broker, what would you need to get started? Well, here at Ion, all you would need is a willingness to learn, right? Regardless of your level of experience, it's important to be open to a new learning experience, okay? No full glasses. Everybody has to set the ego aside and be willing to absorb the material, okay? A willingness to invest in yourself. Very important. You need experience before you can build a business. That's just the reality of the situation. Invest in an education from experienced active professionals in this space to give yourself the best possible chance of success. Okay, so if you're out there and you're looking at a blueprint that's just a box filled with puzzle pieces and it's difficult to put together, it's costly to put together, and there's no guarantee it'll work out. You need to plug into an active system generating cash flow, partnering with people active in the space, making money so that you can get those same results. Very important, and that's exactly what we can deliver here at Ion. Okay, you're going to need a computer. A computer is needed to function in today's business world. It's just the way it is. However, expertise is not necessarily required. You just need to have basic knowledge of Microsoft Office products, social media accounts, etc. Okay, and while on the topics of things you need, you're also going to need a phone. Just about everybody today uses a smartphone. You will be communicating with clients around the country remotely. So yes, a phone will be required. Email. You will regularly be communicating with clients via email. A Gmail account is required to function within our system, and we also teach you how to use automation software with it. Lastly, social media accounts. Businesses regularly conducted on social media channels. Learning how to leverage those channels and do business by monetizing your network is key to success in today's marketplace. And that's where people want to talk, okay? Cold calling is dead. Clients, people, or business owners, I should say, are sick to death of receiving solicitation call after solicitation call all day, every day. They have to pay an office manager or a front desk person to field those calls and basically say, no, thank you, please don't call again. It's really hard to get through that wall, okay? And at the same time, you're competing against many other people doing the exact same thing. Instead, organically connecting online through social media is exactly where you want to be. And if you know where to find the fish and you're providing a solution that they're already looking for, well, that's where warm business happens. And that's exactly what we can show you here at Ion. So I want to make clear, this is not a business in a box, okay? Extensive experienced extensive experience, startup capital, and a realistic understanding of the industry is what's required to make a business in a box work. It's not that blueprints don't work. It's that a blueprint is required for somebody who has already learned the ropes, who's already worked in the industry, who understands how to fund deals, how to make this thing work, understands the business model, how to make it cost effective. Those people can take a blueprint, create their own business, and be successful. Somebody with no experience as to how business loan brokering truly works. And I'm not just talking about forwarding an application to a lender and collecting a commission without properly qualifying or underwriting a file, okay? Real extensive experience. If you don't have that experience, you're going to have a very hard time with a blueprint. And that's why it's very important that you plug into an already active system and partner with experienced professionals working in the industry to give you the best possible chance of results, of earning money, of experience, so that one day you are ready to make a blueprint work. Very, very important. So I also want to make clear that there is no startup or operational cost required here. Okay, you're not building a business. You're plugging into an already active built business so you can gather the experience and knowledge needed to one day start your own business. Okay, so there's no need to build systems. You don't need to build or pay for a website, CRM, a branding campaign, anything like that. Okay, there's no buying leads or paid ads. One of the things that we teach you here is how to connect with your clients for free. Okay, never having to spend a dime on advertising, never having to buy leads, and how to conduct warm business with people who want to talk to you. Very, very important part of the sales process, okay? There's no licensing required. We're fully established here. We have all our partnerships in place. There's no need for you to get licensed, anything like that. Again, you just plug in, you hit the ground running. And so how does Ion help you become a business loan broker? Well, learning how to make money as a business loan broker is one piece of it. Funding your deals through our national lender network is the other piece, right? That's what you're leveraging in marketplace with clients. But you're gathering knowledge and accruing experience by being partnered with a Ion broker here using our profit booster. That ensures that your deals have the best chance of getting funded because you have a mentor working with you and your clients on deals to help you get across the finish line. Very, very important. You see, here at Ion Capital Solutions, we teach the 4 pillars of being a loan broker. Without those 4 pillars, the house comes down, okay? Products, marketing, qualification, and underwriting. These are all key to results. It's important to understand all the products in the marketplace. You don't want to be niche, okay? Being niche makes you like every other broker out there trying to sell a single product. You need to understand all the products in the marketplace, properly consult with your clients, understanding the selling points around your products and how to package products together and help your clients for their long-term needs. That's what gets you a client for life. That's what puts money in your pocket. That's what is going to get you consistent business, okay? Being niche does not work, all right? Marketing is key. Spending a lot of money on marketing campaigns will put you out of business really fast. You have to understand how to generate lead flow for yourself, how to organically go to market, and do this without having to build up a high cost. Okay, with that kind of marketing campaign in place, while also having properly qualified clients and, of course, understanding the lender's underwriting process, when you put these 3 things together, that's where the magic happens. And with consistency and conversion, a successful business loan brokerage is born. And that's where the money comes from. But without all of these things in place, it will not happen. And so it's important to plug in and be part of a team to gather the experience we're talking about here, okay? And our team here at Ion will support you during your business loan broker journey. You can leverage our partnerships. We will help you make money. And understand that money is all about real estate, whether you're dealing with a real estate investor or you're dealing with a business. It all comes down to real estate. And when you look at the game in that way, that's where you really start to be able to work on big deals and put together big deals by piecing together products into batch funding and being able to properly consult with clients and help them with their long-term needs, okay? People make business work. Nobody has the S on their chest. So plug into a team, leverage experience, learn, and with time, you will become the expert, because time and managing your time effectively is key to your success as a business loan broker. Remember, free leads on demand is key, because this will not put you in a hole right out of the gate. Having to spend money on leads is one of the things that will really drag down a business. Certainly cut into your profits, but also maybe prevent a profit. So without having to spend money on leads, it changes the game, because you are way into the profit zone right away as soon as you start funding deals. So who am I, right? What makes me different? Well, you see, I've learned this business from the ground up by advancing through the ranks working for direct money lenders. And then I quit. You see, years ago, I wanted to build my own brokerage, my own castle, so to speak, right? And with actual industry experience and education, I found success. And in my business dealings, I realized that many people online are not exposed to industry trade secrets that I was fortunate enough to be exposed to. This was shocking to me, considering all the other training programs out there that you can find online. I needed to find my niche, and with this in mind, well, the path ahead was clear. So I decided to marry a traditional brokerage with a business loan broker training program, and so Ion was born. And what makes Ion different from our competitors is that we're not just selling an affiliate marketing blueprint like everyone else in the online business space. Here at Ion, we actually train our business loan broker students on all facets of the industry. Okay? And we work with them and their clients to fund their deals so they can earn while they learn. This is very important, because anybody looking to start out in a new business needs to get to the finish line. They're not interested in a map to success. You need someone to hold you by the hand and get you all the way across the finish line to where you've achieved success, to ensure that you reach your goals. And that's exactly what we do here at Ion. Whereas our competitor just wants to hand you a map and then good luck to you. I'm sorry, but you can try that avenue. Very, very few people can make that work. Anyway, here's a nice picture of my wife, Anna, and I. I'm a normal guy. I started off where all of you did. Yes, I had experience actually working in the industry for lenders. But the reality is, anybody who really wants to commit their time, their effort, and of course their money into becoming a business loan broker can achieve those results. You don't need to be an extraordinary person with an extraordinary skill set to make it happen. You just need to have a willingness to learn, invest in yourself, to be able to set your ego aside and be able to stick with it. And if you can stick through that journey, you will become a successful business loan broker, just as I have. So, Tony Robbins once said, if you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want, copy what they do, and you'll achieve those same results. Okay? I believe wholeheartedly in that quote. I think it's very true. Okay? And so really what it means is, here at option one, you can try to do this on your own, risk time and money. Your clients are looking at you for answers, and without experience, it'll be a challenge. Not saying you can't do it, but understand what you're up against, right? Where will you find quality leads? Marketing is an important piece of the puzzle, right? Buying leads, cold calling. There's a better way. Okay, but qualified deals that fit the lender's underwriting criteria is what makes money. Just forwarding deals to lenders does not work. Okay, this is very important. So if you're looking to get established and get set up, if you think that simply signing up with a couple lenders, finding some interested parties that want money, and forwarding to the lender is going to get you across the finish line, it's not. Okay, and there's a lot of people out there trying to do just that, frustrated, and they can't understand why they're not funding deals. Okay, but nevertheless, if you want to try, go ahead. Okay. And what will your niche be? Is being niche is being niche in your best interest, or will it just make you like everybody else? And that's key. You see, true consultants in this industry, they understand every product out there, and they understand how to manipulate the marketplace and package together products to help their clients with their long-term needs. So you don't actually want to be niche, though many try to be. Okay. And option two here represents learning the ropes and making money with Ion Capital. We can answer all of your clients' questions. Positive results are a product of expert consultation. That's exactly what you can leverage here at Ion. Learn our multi-platform lead generation methods that generate free quality leads. As I mentioned before, you save a lot of money utilizing these methods because you're not digging yourself deep into a hole with an upfront cost on leads that may never earn you a commission, okay? Learn to properly qualify clients and understand the underwriting process to ensure your clients make it to the finish line. This is important. If you want your deals to fund, qualification and underwriting are paramount, okay? And lastly, don't choose a niche, as I mentioned before. Become an expert consultant and learn how to close multi-million-dollar deals. And that's what it's all about. Truly understanding the space, how to navigate it, how to help your clients, how to help the big clients, how to earn the big commissions. And so here at Ion Capital Solutions, it just makes sense to be partners. For anybody looking to get into this space, wanting to start out, you need to leverage a mentor who's already active in this space, earning commissions, closing deals, achieving the results you want to achieve. Okay? So if you're looking to become a business loan broker, you've arrived at the right place. Okay, I want you to click the link below and schedule a call, and we'll talk about next steps in beginning your journey to becoming a business loan broker. Thanks so much, everybody. Take care.